All right, question number 7 says, Scott traveled 557 miles to visit his cousin. What is this number rounded to the nearest 10? And you have to fill it in on your grid. So I'm going to circle my number, which is 557. I even see the word 10 written in word form. And I want to know what is the number rounded to the nearest 10. So that means I'm rounding. All right, so I have 557, and I'm rounding it to my tens place. So that means when I draw my number line, my bottom number will be 550, because 500 and then 50 is in my tens place. And it might bump up 10 more, which would put me at 560. Halfway in between is 555. And I just need to mark where I think 557 would fall. And it would just be a little bit past the middle. So it would round to 560. Now, the tricky part when filling in your grid over here, you do not have anything in your decimal. So you've got to make sure you fill it in over here to the left of your decimal point. Just like that. Okay?